Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will learn how to make this easy flasher made by Jeremy Shafer. So let's start. So for this you can use 6-inch paper, A4 paper cut square or 10-inch paper. So first fold the paper in half. Unfold and fold this edge to the center crease. Rotate and do the same thing. Now fold this edge to this edge. Rotate and do the same thing. Flip it and fold this edge to this crease. Rotate and do the same thing. Collapse it like this, split it like this and do the same thing. Now once you're done, flip it and fold one unit up like this. Rotate it to the right and then do the same thing. And now we have a 7x7 grid. Flip it, get a pen and make a center over here. And now take like this and make one line to the right. Do the same thing on the rest. And now make dotted lines. Like this, and then make straight lines over here, here and here. Now you should have one side like this. Do the same thing on the rest of the sides. And now once you're done, you are ready to make the folds. So first make these folds over here. Like this. And then these dotted lines are valley folds and the straight lines are the mountain folds. So first make it like this and then bring this over here like this. Do the same thing for the rest of the sides. And now once you're done, you should have this. Now collapse it like this. Fold one unit at a time. And then you should get something like this. And now you're done. If you want, you can also squish this together over here like this. To flash, hold this over here and this over here and then pull, and then it flashes. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.